Alright, I'm the HVAC hacker, and here I am, coming to you from the fire of Marcal. This sucks because this is right down the street from my house. I saw these flames last night from my house. This is a giant paper factory. This is what's left of it. Kind of sucks because, I mean, it was a big business in town. I mean, it lit up and they couldn't contain it last night. It's friggin' crazy. But I mean, they're still spraying water over there. They're still trying to figure out how to get this thing out. I mean, this thing's over 24 hours burning. How could they not stop it? This is not an insurance fraud bull crap thing. Come on, what's going on with this? I mean, they're still spraying water out that way, if you could see. I could see, but I don't know if you could see. But I mean, I decided to come down here, report live. Well, you're gonna see it not live, but I'm coming down here trying to see what happened. Now, time to break out my light because this looks like it's all ice. Boom. Okay, yeah, so this shit's all ice right here. Let's make go. Yeah, unless I feel like going ice skating, that does not look like the way I want to go. That shit's solid friggin' ice. I could try to go around it, but going across it is like a suicide. Because we got hydrants leaking. Yep, busted hydrants because, well, we got sub-zero temps here. They've been trying to fight the fire, getting water from wherever they can get the water from. Look at this, it's all solid ice. It's almost like a rooftop. I don't do rooftops. I don't do rooftops. Great song, it really is. But I don't want to go any more near there, so I think we're going that way because, well, just smoky as crap up there. Hope you guys are having a better time today. I mean, this was very interesting. All the businesses here, supposedly this was on fire. I don't think it was, but on the news last night, this gas station was on fire. Then the municipal building supposedly was on fire. Then these houses here were catching fire. Seems like last night, everything was catching fire. I don't understand. How was everything catching fire? But that smoke is still just smothering away, so I'm out. Good luck, guys. And well, I wonder if this is going to be a famous fire of history, the Marcal Fire. There's a very old paper factory in Elmwood Park, New Jersey. This has been burning for more than 24 hours now, though. It's just smothering and smothering. I know this is very off topic, guys, but this right here is happening right now.